Hello guys, in the subject DPC, C means conveyancing. What is conveyancing? Conveyancing is an instrument which transfers property from one person to the another. It is called conveyancing. And what are the contents of a deed, of any type of deeds? So the contents of a deed are descriptions of the deed, date, parties to the deed, witnessing clause, consideration and receipt. These are the contents of a deed, any type of deed. Next, coming to the point of sale deed. Who are the parties to the sale and what is sale? The definition of sale is a transfer of ownership in exchange for a price paid or price promised or partly paid or partly promised. Parties to the sale are seller and the buyer, that is vendor and vendee. Next, essential elements of sale. The essentials are the parties must be, seller and buyer must be competent to transfer and the seller must have a valid title to transfer the property to the buyer. Next, the subject matter. The subject matter of sale must be immovable property for application of this sale deed. In sale deed only, there must be an immovable property only, it relates. The sale must be for price or consideration and there must be transfer or conveyance. These are the elements of sale. Next, mortgage. What is mortgage? A mortgage is the transfer of an interest in specific immovable property for the purpose of securing payment of money advanced or to be advanced by way of loan, an existing or future debt, or the performance of an engagement which may give rise to a pecuniary liability is called mortgage. Parties to the mortgage. Mortgager and mortgagee. Mortgagee means owner of the property. Mortgagee means who gives the money. Next, essential elements of mortgage. What are the essentials? Mortgage is a transfer of interest in immovable property. Next, the transfer should be by way of security. Next, mortgage may be security for the purpose of payment of money advanced or to be advanced by way of loan, or future or existing debt, or performance of an agreement or pecuniary obligation. Transfer of interest means transfer of some rights but not entire ownership like sale, some part only. Property must be specific, should not be vague. Next, minor cannot mortgage property. Registration is essential under section 59 of TP Act, Transfer of Property Act, where amount received exceeds 100 rupees. Document must be signed by at least 2 witnesses. These are the essentials of the mortgage. Next, kinds of mortgage. There are 6 kinds of mortgages. Simple mortgage, mortgage by conditional sale, usufructuary mortgage, English mortgage, mortgage by deposit of title deeds and anonymous mortgage. These are the 6 kinds of mortgage under TP Act. Thank you for watching my video.
With the